Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you our continuing the tour of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now usually this facility is closed to the public, so we have to fly the drone. But it's open, and so we are going to drive around the entire facility. So we drove around the front in part one, which we put up yesterday, and today we're going to drive around the back. Now, I don't think anybody has put up videos about touring the entire facility on the ground. So, straight ahead is the new courthouse, and this is a magnificent building. I mean, this is clearly the nicest courthouse in Jamaica. And as you know, the Morant Bay Rebellion started at the courthouse or in Morant Bay, and the old courthouse played a significant role in it. Now, straight ahead, that is the commercial part of the urban center where you can rent, to the left, where you can rent store space and set up your store. To the right, that is the new tax office and PICO, Passport and Immigration Office. A lot of government infrastructure or government entities are located in this urban center, which brings up a very valid question. Why is one government entity charging another government entity so much in rent? But we'll discuss that in another video. This is the entrance to the mall section. Then at the back now, I think this is the first time you're going to be seeing this section, as the drone's videos don't really show it in such detail as to what we're going to show you now. This is the manufacturing section where you have a lot more office space, manufacturing space. Heart NTA is to have a location back here. I'm not sure which is which because although the facility is finished, the individual tenants are still building out their locations. As you can see, no signs are up. I think the only tenant, I should say, that is open to the public is KFC, and they are at the front. Strategically located, the first location you're going to see when you drive into the urban center is KFC. Now, this part of the facility is very nice. I don't think I've ever seen such a nice facility anywhere in Jamaica. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Honestly, driving at the back of the facility or driving at this section of the facility reminds me of structures you see in a first world country like the US. Very nicely done. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Let us know what you think. And if you haven't seen the first video, check it out. It's on the channel. We put it up yesterday. Part 1. This is part 2. Alright guys, have a good day.